Show Press right now, and there is a copycat in the server. She is copying me, like she's like following me to see what I'm doing, but like I'm using like a code item, and she's trying so hard to literally be me. She doesn't have a sense of style. Like now I have to go back over there to get a bag, because like you need to bring a bag to gymnastics, right? I'm gonna make the bag white. No, this color. Looks cute. Oh my gosh, the bum part. Bro's trying to copy me. Can bro like stop? Bro. I'm going to see that girl's username. And she's on the runway. Yeah, even she's saying that she's copying me, like, right. Like, she's trying to be me, like, so bad. Because she's bad at dressing. She's bad at just to impress. I'm sorry if I'm, like, yelling at her, or if you guys are going to hate on me for this, but, like, she's copying. See, she's even trying to change her skin color too. Like, copy me. But, like, at least I have this trick up my sleeve. Could she stop already? Like, this is my outfit. I have bangs and everything. She forgot the bangs. And at that time's up, I didn't want to duel with her because she doesn't have a sense of style. Anyways, this is kind of cute for gymnastics. Could give it a 4. Oh, I love that the sneakers that she's wearing have a toggle for like socks, so the socks don't like, so like the actual socks don't like glitch through. That's the good thing about those sneakers. See, Hanny, watch out for that username right there. Watch out for that username. Like, this girl, like, copied me the whole round. Team USA Sunny, oh my gosh, slay. Five star. Anyways, this is my outfit. I made it first. Oh my gosh, I forgot about my nails. Anyways, okay. It's more like tennis, but like 3. Don't tell me I joined like a horrible server. But like this is like a good team. Again, that's not gymnastics. That is cheerleading. But 4-star. I'm voting honestly. Okay. I'll give her a 2-star because she is not allowed Because she is not about to win first place just because she joined late. Like, I hate people who do that. I just don't. Okay. I'm not mad, but like, how did I lose to 5th place by Rising Star? I do not know. See, that's what you get for last place. That's what you get. You deserve last place. You deserve last place, bro. Stop. This girl, like, stop following me. If she can read the theme, then, like, she can read. But people stop asking for a duo. Like, I'm not doing a duo. Last time I did a duo, their outfit was, like, kind of bad. Like, y'all, I'm trying not to be mean, but, like, my outfit wasn't really that good because of the glitching in the back, but, like, in the front. So, Dark Coquette, oh my gosh, I didn't. Could this girl stop following me, bro? She probably has all of the codes. And she thought I was going that way, please. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna paint it like. Trust the process on this. Okay, just like trust the process. Oh no, that's a lighter gray. Good. Bro, I'm trying to color this. Oh my gosh. I spent like a minute trying to color this. So, like, I did used to have VIP, but like someone hacked my Roblox account. Literally, probably the day after my birthday, I think. And like, well, this choker is actually eating. Okay. I put on this corset. Oh, that's blue. Okay. Okay. So, like, I think that girl left. Yep, she left. Hold on, let me see. Nope, she didn't leave. But at least she's not even following me anymore. Hi, Lana, bestie. Let me see what you are having in this diary right here. I can't even see up there. It's so glitchy. Oh, okay. I cannot see that. It's kind of like what I'm wearing, but whatever. Well, this looks like a more realistic brown, though. Okay, this is kind of eating. So, let me cook, guys. Let me cook. Oh, let me cook this hairstyle. See, I told you to let me cook. Does this look good? I think it's the back that's the problem. It was that hair. I think it's kind of tinted green a little bit, so I'm gonna make it have a darker brown to match. Yeah, now I need to color this hair to match that hair. Go to the bangs. Okay, I told you, let me cook. I personally think I ate. I choose kitty cat. Wait, there need to be more white in this den. 3, 5. They say bed. Okay, so okay, so let's see. Ooh, they kind of eaten. I'm gonna give them a 4-star because they kind of eaten. Okay, they are eating. Okay. Bro, why was the cat at my side? If you want the code to the cat, let me know. Okay, so let's go. Hopefully everyone thinks I ate. I'll give this a 3-star for trying, at least. Okay, let's see. What the heck is this? 2. She kind of copied. But overall, I was going for it. I was scratching my eye. Okay, Swifty Pickle. Okay, let's see. He just has a jump on. Okay, looks kind of cute. Yeah, looks kind of cute. Woohoo! Look how gorgeous Missy 14's outfit is. 3 because the fur boots. We lost 2 stars because of the fur boots. We could have lost 3 stars and we would have only gotten 2. But like, the fur boots are like not it. Anyways, let's see this one. Kind of makes no sense. So, 1 star. Bad. Well, how did I lose to her? Did I lose to the one with pale skin? Anyways, guys, this is gonna be the last round of Just Impress. But like, I layered like so much hairs one time. I really hope it has something to do. I really hope this next round has something to do with like Renaissance or like olden times, like the Tundra period, because like I really want to dress up in like a big poofy dress. I really want to do that. Cause like I really like dressing up in big poofy dresses and Just Impress, cause I make it look like really, really good. Like I make it look freaking amazing. I make it look fantastic. Jungle. Yeah. I don't even know what to do for this round. A tree? I don't even know. Well, I might have to end the video here. So peace, guys.